So, last night, instead of studying for my midsems, which are just in 2 days, I just built this. Yeah, it's in chatbot, a very simple UI chatbot, very simple, but it works. It's taking time. See, it do remembers me. It has a very short-term memory, but it works. I'm happy. My late night session worth it. Yeah, we've installed LangGraph. Oh, that's right. I would have tried. I can't see anything. Yeah, I can see. I'm gonna stay double install. And it's installed. It's gonna take some time. Here, and I have to study for my exams. I have an exam in 2 days. And I'm right here. I don't know why I'm making a chatbot, because I feel like I want to make one, because I've never used Streamlit before. It's my first time using it. I just like I have done like the front end and back end thing many times before, but I've always used like Node or Next, or you can say directly like custom like CSS and JavaScript. I've written code files on them, but I've never used Streamlit, so I want to use. First not inside it. .env. Yes. Then we're gonna create and then we're gonna create two files. First is backend.py, so y, and the second one is frontend.py. So they are both like, one is for the bot logic and the another one is for frontend logic. Now let's go to I keep it like that. No, I don't. Chat, state, and the curly bracket. Yes, and then we will make node, which is graph.add node. Graph.add edge and then node. And now we're going to create the function, which is depth. Yeah, that's it. This is the backend for it, and I'm not gonna work or not. Backend में क्या होता था? हम अपनी Python backend.py if I'm not wrong. Python backend.py. I forgot, but I get to add right there. From LangGraph graph.message import add message. Oh, it should be. बहुत टाइम हो गया मैं बीच में से प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी. Like I was learning about LangGraph and everything. तो बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने कोड खोला भी हो तो मुझे नहीं याद है. ये अपना टर्मिनल like किस वे में खोला हो. So yeah, we get another error as langchain code.message. From langchain code.message import base message. What's the error? Module not found. Module not checkpoint. कितनी गलती कर रही हूँ यार इतने टाइम में. धीरे धीरे सारे मॉड्यूल मिलेंगे. अभी कौन सा error आया? Oh, it's work. I think it gives that it works. Okay, so now that it works, I don't know why. Just one. Yes, और हम यहाँ पे अपना like condition डालेंगे, लेकिन messages जो है वो like session state में नहीं है, तो उस टाइम पे session state जो होगा वो आपका empty होगा. वो मेरे metric में नहीं है. हाँ तो hungry. I'm super duper hungry. I don't know why. I don't have water or anything to eat. We have this. It's healthy drink. I would say I haven't eaten whole evening, and it's some kind of drink which. Okay, we only have this with us, so yeah. It's hot in here. When I say hot, it's so hot. Okay, how does it work then? And we're gonna run it. Like my time to okay. It's working, it's happening. I knew it. मुझे पता था कि मैसेज हिस्ट्री का तो एरर आएगा ही आएगा, क्योंकि मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ी की है। ओके, सो सेशन हैज नो कि मैं ड्यू फॉरगेट टू इनिशियलाइज इट। मुझे भी यही लग रहा है ना, मुझे लग रहा है मैं भूल गई इनिशियलाइज माय जॉब डायरेक्टर्स। ओके, I really want to listen to Doja's. It should be variable, like it should be like this. Not variable, it should be like this. Yeah. Please, go ahead. This time no error, please. No error. Is it working? I can't see anything. Oh, it is working. I just typed hi. And we get an error. Like this time we have no message history. Did you forget to initialize? I think I did. I don't know where to put it. I'm just kidding, I just don't know. Maybe it was like, oh, कौन सा वाला मैसेज नहीं है? एक मिनट, I think I know मैसेज वाला मैसेज नहीं, मैं पागल हूँ। messages and anywhere else, like से मैं पागल की तरफ। No, why is that element not? Streamline does no attribute chat. नहीं होता है, Streamline के पास chat होता है। Using this stuff. Chat लिखा मैंने, oh shit, sorry, हाँ chat नहीं, chat message होता है, अब वो message होता है, messages होता है। एक और रहना वाला मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है। Ticked object is not callable. Now where? Line 10 rule. Huh? Here it is. It's role, and then we have send or text message, and the content. Oh yeah, it's a string, not a message with a role here. Chala, we still have problem with role. So they're talking about role. अच्छा कितना देते हैं ना? The message in send with send chat message and the role. What's wrong with it? I think everything is wrong with it because it shouldn't be like that. It should be like this and like this. Yeah, that's why it says. Oh hi. Okay, so let's check if it remembers me. I'm kidding. Hello, nice to meet you. There's something I can help you with. Okay, so do you know my name? Oh well, it's working. Okay, now that it's working, it's oh my god, I'm so messy right now. Okay, now it's working. It's already 1:30. I have to study for my exam tomorrow. Not tomorrow, after 2 days. So I'm going bye. मैंने पता नहीं क्या किया, बट मैंने जो भी किया मैंने कर लिया।